Welcome to e-learning classes managed by Modern English School Navada. Student, myself Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Dear student, today I discuss some problem on the base term similarity from example 7b. Dear student, in this chapter or example only depends how you can find the similar of two triangles. And if triangle are similar, then how you can take the sides of their ratio in proportional. So, similarity there are three conditions: SSS, SAS, and AA. One, AA is corollary. Generally use A in every questions. So please see here. Now, example of 7b, question number 9, example 9, that is, prove that ratio of the perimeter of two similar triangles is the same as the ratio of their corresponding sides. Dear students, here given these two triangles are already similar. So given you write, given triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. I take two triangles, both are similar, naming ABC and PQR. Your question is to prove ratio of their perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to the same as the ratio of their corresponding sides. Sides is AB, PQ, BC, QR, AC and PR. But I write here in a small part, that is A, then this BC denoted at A. Here is B, then this AC denoted B. C, it is C. Similarly here is P, then this side QR is P. Here Q, then PR is Q. Here R, then PQ is R. So perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of PQR is equal to A by P is equal to B by Q is equal to C by R. You have to prove. In proof, construction no need in this question. In proof, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. If triangle are similar, then their corresponding side are in the proportional. So A by P is equal to B by Q is equal to C by R, because both triangles are similar. Why it is equal? Like if you write 5 by 10 is equal to 6 by 12 is equal to 10 by 20. Why it is equal? Because 5 by 10 means 1 by 2, 6 by 12 means 1 by 2, and 10 by 20 means 1 by 2. That means every ratio is only equal when its constant being equal. So dear students, you write these are equal and it is equal to K. Suppose here, so A is equal to half Pk. Because A by P is equal to K, then A is equal to Pk. Similarly, B is equal to half Qk. And C is equal to R. C is equal to R. Now, you write perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to perimeter of ABC is A plus B plus C. This A, B, C denoted its sides. If you write a small a, that is denote the BC. If you write capital A, that is denotes angle. Here is P plus Q plus R, because P, Q, R are the side. Now A is equal to PK. So here you write PK, B is equal to QK, and C is equal to RK. Here is P plus Q plus R. A common K is here. Then P plus Q plus R by P plus Q plus R. This is cancelled and it is equal to K. That is equation second and it is equation first. So perimeter of ABC by PQR is equal to K, and the ratio of the sides A by P, B by Q, C by R is equal to K. It is K and it is also K. That means RHS is equal, so LHS will be equal. So you write the perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of PQR is equal to A by P, B by Q, C by R, because A by P, B by Q, C by R is equal to K and perimeter is equal to also K. So you write perimeter of ABC by perimeter of PQR is equal to A by P, B by Q, C by R. Good. Now see example 10 on the basis of perimeter theorem. Dear student, before this question I discussed if two triangles are similar, then their ratio of perimeter is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. What is condition? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the perimeter of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. So here is some examples on the basis of this theorem. Example is the perimeter of two similar triangles are 25 cm and 15 cm respectively. If one side of first triangle is 9 cm, then find the corresponding sides of another triangle. I draw two figures here, ABC and DEF, and it is clear that ABC is similar to DEF because here given two similar triangles. Then we know that hence perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides, means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Here student you have only one side, so write you only AB by DE. Now perimeter of first triangle is given 25, perimeter of second triangle is 15, sides of first triangle is 9, side of second triangle you have to find, that is D. Then cross multiplication 25 into D is equal to 15 into 9. So D is equal to 15 into 9 by 25. 5 3 are and 5 5 are 9 3 are 27 by 5. That is 5.4 cm, and it is your solution 5.4 cm centimeter. Okay. Now example 11. Dear student, this question on the related to the similarity. How can you find the similar of two triangles, and then how can you take the ratio of their proportional sides? So in this question I solve how you can find similarity relation and then how can arrange the proportional of their sides. So please see here in this question, in the given figure D is the point on the BC such that ADC means this angle is equal to BAC. Here ADC, this angle is equal to BAC, only one given angle. Then prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. In similarity, generally 90% question I solve only method A. If two triangles, you find only two angles are equal, corresponding, then their triangle will be similar and their corresponding sides are in the proportional. So dear student, only find two angles and write their result. So here is question CA square, means CA leg 2 times take. That means one triangle is ADC, another triangle is ABC. It is clear. So first we take here ACB. Find out here is ACB, big triangle, and DCA, a small triangle. What is the relation between them? First find BAC. In triangle ACB, BAC is equal to ADC because it is given in your question. Next ACB, this angle is equal to ACD, both angles are same. One is a small triangle, another is large triangle. In large triangle name is ACB and in a small triangle name is ACD, but both are the same angle. So two angles are equal in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. If two angles are equal, then it is clear by A similarity these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then how can take their proportional of the sides? So you take with the help of the angle. Like here is BAC. Find out here is BAC. It is here. So what is its opposite side? Opposite side is BC. So I write here BC. It is equal to ADC. Find out ADC. It is opposite side of DC, AC. So I write AC. Next, ACB. Find out ACB. This angle. What is the opposite of this side? Side is AB. Because it is large triangle, so I write AB. Here is a small triangle, so ACD, opposite of ACD is AD. I write AD. Dear student, two angles are here given, then two sides proportional you can take. Remain triangle has only three sides, then remaining sides you can write here. So in triangle ABC, you write BC, you write AB, then what is remain? Clearly in ABC, you write AC, you write BC, then clearly one is remain AC. You write here BC, you write here AB, then AB, BC, then what is remain? AC. Similarly, in a small triangle, you write AC, you write AD with the help of angle, then what is remain here? Here is CD. Now see your question. Your question is related to CB and CD. So CD is here and CB is there. So only take these two ratio. So I write here only two, BC by AC and AC by CD. And now cross multiplication. So what it is? AC square is equal to BC to CD. That is proved. It is your question. Now question number 13. In the given figure, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACD. Find out where ABE triangle AB congruent triangle ACD. ACD. Both are congruent. Then show that triangle AD similar to ABC. So dear student, first write solution. AB congruent triangle ACD. AB congruent triangle ACD given. Then AB is equal to AC by CPCT. Two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are equal. This is the corresponding part of congruent triangle. Similarly, AE is equal to AD. I write it. Divide to each other. First equation, I write second equation and divide them. AB by A is equal to AC by AD. That is equation 3. And now find the relation between ABC and AD. I write here in triangle ABC and AD. Now find the relation of their corresponding sides of similar. Then ABC and AD, their corresponding side is AB by A. AB is this and A is second triangle. AB in large triangle and A in a small triangle. Similarly, AC in large triangle and AD in a small triangle. And angle BAC, this angle is equal to angle DAE, this angle. Both are common because both angles denote in a small triangle and also this angle is in a large triangle. So two sides and one angle. So by SAS, similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle AD, that is proved. Is your question. Now see question number 14. In this question, we discuss how we can do similar of two triangles only. In this chapter, I told you that many triangles are similar, 90% approx. If its two angles are equal, that means the corresponding angles are equal, only two, then triangle will be similar. So dear students, here is given in the given figure altitudes. What is altitudes? A line segment drawn from the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite sides. That is altitudes. So in the given figure, altitude AD, this is AD altitudes, that means this line segment perpendicular to the BC. So altitude AD and CE, this C, so it is also perpendicular on AB, intersect each other at P, here is point P. Then show that AEP, find where is AEP? AEP, this is a small triangle. Triangle CDP, this is a small triangle. So find the relation of similarity between these two triangles, and you have only find how it is possible the two angles are equal and give their result. So dear student, first I write here AEP and triangle CDP. AEP and CDP, clearly you see a figure AEP and here is CP. First we find angle E is equal to D. Angle E 90 and angle D 90. Why it is 90? Because these are the perpendiculars. It is C is altitude and AD is altitude, so it is perpendicular. So E is equal to D 90. Angle APE, this angle, is equal to CPD, this angle. These angles are called vertically opposite angle because these two lines are intersect to each other. So dear students, I find two angles, corresponding two angles are equal, then it is clear by AA similarity theorem. So by A, triangle AEP similar to triangle CD. Next question, ABD and CBE. Find out ABD. Where is ABD? ABD, this triangle. And CBE, CBE. Find the relation between them. Here we find out ABE, find out here, and CBE. This being both ABD, then be present, CEB, then also be present. So write ABD is equal to CB, both are the common. That means B is the common between both triangles. And angle D in triangle ADB, angle D is 90, and in triangle CEB, angle E is 90. So here also two corresponding angles are equal. Then you write hence triangle ABD similar to CB by AA similarity. Other two questions you have remained, that is AEP. Find out where AEP, this is a small triangle, and ADB, ADB. Find out a student here. See AEP and ADB. Find out these angles are equal because EAP is equal to BAD. Both have A common, and angle E is angle D 90. So by A you can solve the remaining question like this. Try to solve remaining two questions. Now question number 15. Diagonals of AC BD of a trapezium ABCD intersect at ABCD trapezium such that AB parallel DC and diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. Then prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Dear student, this question I also solved in Thales theorem, but that times I used Thales theorem and draw here the parallel lines. But in this question there is a condition given that you solve this question by similarity. So I use here similarity theorem. So see, your question is OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. First we take in triangle AOB and COD. I write here 1 is equal to 2. Here is 1, here is 2. What is the relation between them? It is called alternate interior angle, and the line will be parallel, then this angle are equal. This is the parallel line and it is called alternate interior angle. So 1 is equal to 2, alternate interior angle, and 3 is equal to 4. Similarly, alternate interior angle because line is parallel and AC is the transverse. If these two angles are equal, then it is clear by AA similarity, triangle AOB similar to COD. How can you take there the corresponding sides in the proportional? You take here 1 is equal to 2. 1 opposite of 1 is what? It is AO. Opposite of 2 is what? It is OC. So OA by OC is equal to opposite of angle 3, BO. Opposite of angle 4, that is DO. I write DO. Opposite of 1, AO. Opposite of 2, OC. Opposite of 3, BO. And opposite of 4, OD. That means AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. Proved. That's it. Now, last question of today's session, that is 16. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to BD into CD. It is given that. Then prove that BAC is 90. That means this angle will be 90. You have to prove. Alright, from solution, AD square is equal to BD into CD. Just mean AD square is equal to AD into AD is equal to BD into CD. This AD is constant. This CD come here, and here BD is constant. Here AD come there. So AD by CD is equal to BD by AD. These two sides in the ratio and both are in different triangle. Find out. AD by CD means AD in this triangle and CD in another triangle. Similarly, BD in first triangle and AD in second triangle. First AD in first triangle, CD second triangle. Second, BD in first triangle and AD in second triangle. AD 2 times because this AD present in both triangles. So now write the relation between ADB and CDE. Find out ABD and CDA. Both triangles, find the relation of similarity. So AD by CD is equal to BD by AD. From equation first, it is given in your question. Second, ADB angle is equal to angle ADC. Both are 90 degree. So angle ADB is equal to angle CD 90. So by the SAS similarity method, by SAS, two sides and included angle. These two sides and one angle, these two sides and one angle. So by the process of SAS similarity, both triangles are similar. If these triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. How you can take that corresponding angle? From here you take opposite of AD, what? B. So I write B. Opposite of CD, what? 1. So B is equal to 1. Similarly, BD, opposite of BD is 2. You see here in a small triangle. Opposite of BD is 2. And opposite of AD is C. So 2 is equal to C and B is equal to 1. Now, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 and region is angle sum property. Here is A, you have to prove, so write A plus B is equal to 1, that is, and C is equal to 2. I write here. There A and this 1 plus 2, you add here 1 plus 2, that is A. That is A is equal to 180. Then 2 angle A is equal to 180. Then clearly angle A is 90. 180 by 2, that is 90. So dear students, the question is BAC is 90. That is BAC means this angle A is 90. And so write BAC is 90. That's okay. This is the last question of today.